Introducing the Millicell ERS 3.0 digital voltometer 96 well electrode probe. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. The packaging is sleek and professional, ensuring that the probe arrives safely. Pay attention to the sticker on the probe case, as the sticker will specify instrument software compatibility. We'll be covering the steps to update your software momentarily. This probe requires your Millicell ERS 3.0 instrument to run software version 1.0.1 or later. Here we have the 96 well electrode probe itself, along with some essential accessories. We encourage you to keep the case for proper storage of the probe. The silicone spacers are important for adjusting the probe depth. Please do not lose or dispose of the silicone spacers. Now we'll go over the steps to update your device to the latest software. Go to the Millicell Cloud website for the free software update. Click Download and put the update file on a USB drive. After turning on the ERS device, tap the Settings button. Scroll down to the About button. Scroll down and tap on the Software Update button and follow the on-screen instructions. The 96 well electrode probe features a robust stainless steel body and electrode legs, perfect for cell culture compatibility and durability. The probe legs are made of stainless steel tubing to ensure maximum cellular compatibility, chemically inert, and non-leaching materials. The apical probe leg has a wider diameter spacer so that it snugly fits the well opening of 96 well plates. The basolateral probe leg does not have a wider diameter fitting to ensure best fit with multiple plate types. This probe leg is placed into the receiver plate port. The thermistor is located inside the tip of the apical probe leg to measure temperature of the cells in culture more accurately. It is recommended to clean the probe with 70% ethanol. Shorter 10% bleach cleanings are also okay. Avoid applying force to the probe legs or striking them against objects or surfaces. For a more detailed overview of probe cleaning, please refer to Chapter 5 of this series. Let's take a closer look at the probe features. The wider probe leg fits the apical port on 96 well cultureware to ensure stability and best fit. There's a thermistor inside the probe leg to measure the temperature of your cell solution. This probe was specifically designed to fit our Millicell plates. For non-Millicell cultureware, the 96 well electrode probe requires a silicone spacer for optimal measurement depth. The spacer is required for measurement in transwell and thin-cert cultureware. The Millicell Cloud and plate map features are the same for 6 well, 12 well, 24 well, and 96 well plate formats. Now you are all set to begin using your 96 well electrode probe. For more information, please contact your local account manager or visit our website.